Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a carbon copy of an email you intend to send to someone online. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's get going with the tutorial here. So here we just tap on compose here to start. So now let's come here. I have something saved on my memo, so we'll be sending it to this mail. Let me copy it and then let me come back here and then let me paste it here. So the procedure is quite similar to that of doing this on a PC or a laptop or whatever. So now let's tap on this arrow here. So we can see CC here. We'll not be choosing the BCC, we'll be choosing the CC rather, which is carbon copy. And now let's come here and let's say we want to receive this mail on this email as well. Good. So now let's come here. Now let's paste that here too as well. So now the concept is I'm sending the email to ff24@gmail.com, but then I want gg24 to receive the same email as well. So that's what we call carbon copy. So when the email is being sent, I'm going to get a carbon copy on this as well. So now let me move to the subject here. So let's say I've already formed something here which is for tutorial purposes. Now let me copy this and let me come back. Now I paste here something like this, and now I have a composed email here. And now let me copy my composed email. Let me go on to paste it here. Okay, so that's it. Let's say this is the email I want to send to them and I want to receive a carbon copy. If you want to attach something, you can attach it as well. Let's say a transcript or anything of that, you can attach it. Yeah, good to go. Let's say you want to include this image like this, pulse image like this. So now we initiate send, or we go on and then schedule a send. When you want to schedule a send, you just tap on the schedule, you choose your time, and then you are good to go to something like this. So when you initiate the send like this, let me tap on it. So I think it's being sent. That's why Gmail closed automatically. So let me move to send here. Good. So you can see it here. It's being sent. But then a copy of this mail will be sent to this. So you can see here, you see this email has been sent to two different emails, which is ff24, which is the original receiver, and then the carbon copy receiver is the gg24. So that's it on how you can send an email and then also send a carbon copy of this same email to another email. So if you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. So I'll say peace for now.